Come along today as I make a keto pizza. These are the three main ingredients that I use in this keto pizza. That is the Mission Zero net carb tortillas and the marinara sauce, it's low carb, and then your favorite kind of mozzarella cheese. You can shred it yourself or buy it already shredded. And then add your favorite toppings. Now keep in mind that when you put this pizza together, you have to measure and add the carbs. And once you do this and add this in your carb manager, then you don't have to do this every time unless you're going to change your toppings to your pizza each time, and you'll have to change out the ingredients and get the correct carb count. Take your tortilla with a little bit of butter and cook that in your skillet. Now you don't want it too done because you're going to put this in the oven for about 10 more minutes. So once you have your crust done, I use the marinara sauce with low carb. So check your favorite marinara, make sure it's low carb. And I just use a tablespoon on mine. I add a little cheese, about an ounce. And then I add my toppings. I like sausage, black olives, and mushrooms to mine. And I'll add a little more cheese on the top. And if you want to make it a little more spicy, you can add some Italian seasoning to your cheese or oregano. And then put this in the oven for 350 for about 10 minutes. And your pizza crust, your tortilla, will be just like a very thin pizza crust. We love these even when we're not doing ketos. Now don't forget that you're adding all of your ingredients and you're counting the carbs as you go. So 2 ounces of cheese is 2 carbs. The tortilla has 0 carbs. The marinara sauce for 1 tablespoon is 1 carb. The sausage is 0. And the mushrooms and the olives, I believe, is 4. And so that equals about 7 carbs for my pizza. And once you get this done and put that information in your carb manager, every time you fix these, then you can go back and just add it to your daily carb intake. Now Larry's fixing his and he likes a little more, he does a little more carbs than I do for the day. And he likes a little more of the sauce and probably a little more of the extra ingredients, and that's okay. You can build your pizza to whatever you want it to be. Just keep in mind that you do have to add the carbs and the calories. You don't want to forget your calories. But this is a low carb keto pizza. And since we fix these, we do not like the frozen ones. We love these and we fix them even when we're not doing ketos. After creating your chef delight, go ahead and pop these in the oven for about 10 minutes on 350. They're going to come out crunchy, the cheese is melted, everything's hot. Go ahead and take your pizza cutter, cut them, place them in your plate, and these are like a single serving to me. The whole pizza, they're rather small, so I call it a personal pan pizza made at home, keto style, and mine has about 7 carbs on it after I totaled all the ingredients, and that's not that many carbs for a meal. And like I said, we love these. Even when we're not doing ketos, we make these at home. You can put more meat on it. Larry put bacon, ham, and sausage on his and made a meat lovers. And mine is a sausage pizza with mushroom. And this is the way that we now fix our pizzas at home. And we absolutely love them.